Hi guys, I'm Bill and today I want to talk about trusting the process. Sometimes when we want to try something new, we want to see the results right away. We want the views, the subscribers, the comments, the confidence, the improvement, everything immediately because apparently patience is not included in the starter pack. But I'm learning that growth takes time. Right now, I'm still practicing how to speak, how to express myself, how to create videos, and how to be more confident in front of the camera. Some days it feels slow, some days it feels like nothing is actually happening, but maybe something is happening. I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm becoming more confident little by little. So if you're building something, don't stop just because the progress is so quiet. Trust the process. Keep becoming. Keep showing up. Keep becoming. Keep becoming. This is Bill. Still believing, still becoming. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.